cannot serve two masters. Whatever Prophet Roja is, let him seek the face of the Lord with immediate effect. To Prophet Roja, wherever you are, to whom it may concern, let him understand, ye cannot serve two masters. This message goes to Prophet Roja. Let me tell you the mysteries of mysteries. If you think Mahama is thinking of Ghana now, you lie. Mahama, President Mahama of the Republic of Ghana, is thinking of himself. What he sees, what is coming upon him, we know, we see. The Lord in heaven, see and have told us. During the spiritual. Also for. What's the sound? Mensa Baku Akawu. Also for Akame say, we will anymore. And this is why Yamania, Nayanko Fire and Sa, Yanko Yama, I say.
Mystery TV.